I'm Ronnie Green. Of course, it's Tackle Tuesday, and we're talking about freshwater reels. When you're dealing with freshwater reels, the one thing you got to look at is what are you fishing for, and then you also got to look at the rate of speed that you have for your reel. So there's 6/8 to 1, there's 7/5 to 1, and you're wondering, what does that mean to me? Well, let me tell you, when you're dealing with something that has maybe a 6/8 to 1, and you see on the side, if you look on the box, it'll read and tell you how fast it's going. 6/8 to 1 means every time you rotate that reel one time, it's probably going to move about 28 inches of line every single time. That's important, because if you're using a crankbait, that's a little bit too fast. You probably want to go a little bit slower unless you're moving forward in the trolling motor and you're covering a lot of water. So think about that, that's important. And then you also have a much faster reel speed, which is a 7/5 to 1 or 8/3 to 1. Why is that important? With a 7/5 to 1, you're going to get 30 inches of line every single time you turn that reel handle. That's important because you might be flipping or pitching to a piece of cover. And all of a sudden, you know the fish has it because it's swimming and it's swimming back towards you. You want to be able to catch up, so a fast reel retrieve is very important. So you always wonder why there's so many different variations with reels. That's exactly why they do that. And of course, they can get as high as 10 to 1 gear ratios. There's so many different reels out there. And you want that for buzz bait when you're covering a lot of water. You find out what works for you, because you realize all reels are not created the same and they don't have the same speed. Tackle Tuesday.